The pivot points indicator on TradingView is an incredibly popular tool, but when you first add it to your chart, it covers your screen in a chaotic mess of historical lines. Here is how to clean it up instantly. First, go to indicators on the top of the TradingView window, and then type pivot points. Click on pivot points standard. Now, you can see that there are so many lines on your chart making a mess. To fix the mess, simply double-click any of the lines to open the settings for this indicator. It defaults to 15 when you're looking at the number of pivots back on the Inputs tab. This is the reason why your screen is so cluttered. Change this number to 1. Instantly, all historical lines disappear, leaving only today's relevant levels. Now, while you are in the Inputs tab, look at the type setting on top. It defaults to traditional. Many modern PC users prefer to click that dropdown and change it to Fibonacci, which mathematically adjusts the spacing of the pivot lines to align with standard fib retracement levels. Have a great day, guys.